Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore event marketing with Eventbrite beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Eventbrite website and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Event button to start a new event. Fill in the basic information, starting with the event name and description. Make sure to write a clear and engaging description that highlights the key details of your event. Next, select the date and time for your event. If it's a recurring event, choose the appropriate option for frequency. Then, set the event location, whether it's a physical venue or a virtual event. After that, decide on ticket types and pricing. You can offer free tickets, paid tickets, or donation-based options. Customize the ticket settings to control the availability and quantity. Now, upload an eye-catching event image that represents your event visually. It's essential to choose an image that resonates with your target audience. Next, navigate to the Event Settings tab. Here, you can adjust privacy settings and determine whether your event is public or private. Consider adding an event category to help potential attendees find your event easily. Once you've reviewed all the details, click Publish to make your event live. After publishing, share your event link across social media platforms and other marketing channels. Use engaging visuals and concise messages to attract attendees. Consider sending targeted emails to promote your event to your existing audience. Utilize Eventbrite's promotional tools to create eye-catching campaigns. Monitor your sales and registrations through the Eventbrite dashboard. Engage with potential attendees by responding to inquiries promptly. As the event date approaches, keep your audience updated with reminders and important information. After the event, gather feedback from attendees to improve future events. Lastly, analyze the event's performance through the data provided in Eventbrite. That's it. You're now equipped to restore your event marketing using Eventbrite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.